All right, guys, almost done with my Viking shield. I put a handle on here made out of hickory. I cut the bottom off to make it flat. Then yeah, and I took a band here. I didn't have the steel, so I took a 1/2-inch square bar and I cut in half. Now I pre-drilled one side. Now I'm working on the other side. You can see I installed the boss as well. So right now I'm just gonna put these holes, put these nails on the other side, and then everything's gonna be riveted. And then I'll show you guys how I do that. Okay, and you can see here what I use. I just used some joist hanger nails, the number 10, and I ground the end off because it had a number on it. It looks pretty silly anyway, so I just ground that up. And then so I'm just coming through from the back side into this ref bar that I drilled just the right size, and I'm gonna cut the rivets off and rivet them. So now you can see I just cut it with the angle grinder, and as far as height, we have about just over twice the material sticking out, the thickness of the material. We don't need super long, otherwise it's gonna mushroom, kind of weird. And then you could use a ball peen hammer. I don't have one because I don't use one, but I use this old mountain climbing hammer, and it's got this really nice little head here, and it's really hard. Anyway, that's an old black diamond hammer. It's super nice and it works really good for peening or riveting. So I'm on my anvil. Just take one as an example here. It's a hot nail. And I kind of make a circle. And it's making this nice little mushroom. And then you can use the peening hand. Start in the center, and then work your way outside. You can use that way. Boom, just like that, and then you just tidy it up with a little. Anyway, you can see here is finished. On the inside I used I bent the nails. This was traditional annual 5-inch boss. And then here, so it just needs to be painted. Put the rawhide edge in, and then we're in business. Thanks for watching.